On day 3 of our hot off the press summer week of Webisodes, we have 3 new products.
3 brand new Artful card kits.
Yay!
And each one is so gorgeous.
They are, and we'll show you ways that you can use them. Come play with us. And da-da, here they are.
Something Wonderful, Happy Heart,
and Cheer Up Buttercup.
Lots and lots of die cuts and beautiful papers.
Yes. And every single pack has ideas. So
right.
We'll start with Something Wonderful.
Let's do that.
Let's do that. And these papers are taken from a paper pack. They are Joyride, which you're going to see actually later.
Right.
So this is a peek. They are single-sided, and you can see that they're all designed to coordinate and work really beautifully together.
That's what I love about Artful card kits. This is easy card making. Everything you have in one place, including die cuts with those beautiful papers.
And the die cuts are really the magic. The other magic is the cutout greetings. Right. And why I like these is because it's going to give you the messages you want, but if the message you want isn't here, we have the blank ones that still have the artwork that you can stamp, computer journal, whatever you like.
Right on whatever. And there are 27 of those cutout greetings. And then you're getting 39 beautiful die cuts.
Right. And the die cuts are designed to work together, as you can tell. Now, some of them are nested like this. You get the frame, you get the image, you get borders, you get
a bicycle.
Yes, very fun imagery, and just really things that will make it easy.
These also can be stamped or computer journaled.
Yes.
So you can do that as well.
Good to know. So we're going to start with Something Wonderful.
Don't forget there are ideas, and you're going to see at least one of those ideas.
Like a couple of them, yeah. Okay. So here we go, and this is a great way to use that art. So that was on that first sheet.
Right.
And then we've got just one, this is the cutout greeting, this is the die cut, this is the die cut, and these. So we've used 1, 2, 3, 4 die cuts, 1 greeting, and your card, and then on the inside.
On the inside, nice little strip of paper on the inside, which actually, if we open that up one more time, that border piece, that die cut was used, just a little strip of it here on the end. On this end is just part of the paper.
And it's really nice. I don't know that I would have thought of putting that there because this is all so pretty. I think I would have just gone with something here.
Right.
But I love it, and I love things interacting with that border.
And I like the thin lines dazzles used in there too. The black thin lines dazzles going around the edges here. So beautiful.
It just adds a really nice touch.
Just a finished look. So easy card done, quick and easy card making.
Yes, and here is another. Now that's that great big die cut.
Right.
And
you've got a strip of the paper, so that tan paper behind there. And you're going to start by covering your paper in that beautiful green, adding that strip, and then just a beautiful look there.
It just, it works really, really well. And you can see Sending Best Wishes Your Way. A cheerful heart is good medicine. That's nice.
So fun. And just layering those die cuts and those cutout pieces, that's what's great about the kits. Layering works really well.
It does. Now you do need the blank cards, of course. We've also decorated an envelope.
That's
just
so cute.
You can see how easy that is.
I love that. If we look at that envelope, and look, the edges of that are inked, so you can really see that point on there, and then that point is echoed on the card front.
And to make this, you're just going to do a square piece and cut it diagonally. You'll have 2 identical triangles.
How nice. I love that. And that's after layering it with some of your papers and then adding some of those cutout pieces.
Sending something to make you smile, and there we go, thinking of you. Just really nice.
And you've got all of those die cuts to work with. You've got 39 die cuts. Are going to go a long way on the front, on the inside, so that's just really cute.
Now, this is Something Wonderful. We're going to move to a Happy Heart. You can tell that all of these have very uplifting, affirming titles. And Happy Heart. Now, Happy Heart is a little different because it has double-sided papers. And let me show you. So this is from our new collection, Back Porch, and we've done this. And
I think this is the first time we've had double-sided papers in an Artful card kit, and I like that. You've got something to. What's fun is that if you want to bend over a corner or something like that, you've got that beautiful look on the other side. lots of papers that you can cut and just do some layering with.
And again, the cutout greetings are right here.
Right.
And the die cuts.
And the die cuts, which match perfectly.
And they have just this beautiful look. Now, this is very much in the creams and the tans, as you can see, but very, very versatile.
A real natural look. And again, you've got ideas with those, but let's take a look at what you can do with that.
Okay, so here's our first, and there we have the papers in the background, this great big oval, but look, it's been cut off.
Oh, so fun.
And you know, I don't think I would have gone there, but I love the look.
You have this great big die cut, and you figure, well, I'm just going to put that right on the center of my card, but boy, that's what everybody does. If you go a little bit off the edge, they're going to go, oh, they're not going to quite register right away that something looks different.
Are you saying we're a little bit off the edge? Yeah,
no,
you are.
I'm saying that we are on the cutting edge.
Okay.
So
And I do like the border along the fold, and this is Grateful Greetings.
One
That's
of the
nice.
cutouts you can, oh, great.
A little bit of torn on the inside. Bless you for all that you do.
And stacking some of the die cuts, just a little bit of ribbon treatment there. So fun.
Very, very nice. Really pretty. Now we have a simple hello, and this has kind of a masculine feel to me.
It does, and it's allowing the papers to do the work. So we've created some banner pieces here, just cutting out like sort of pennant style.
Yeah.
Really cute, just stacking it like that. I don't know about cute, but I mean, it is beautiful.
It is pretty, and then I like the wider one on the inside.
Right. I
with
love the wood planks. It's really kind of on trend.
Very popular, very popular. Now we're going to end with Cheer Up, Buttercup. And this is from the Buttercup paper collection.
Right.
And I'll hand you this.
Again, great ideas.
Yes. And we'll show you some of those. So the papers are single-sided. Now that's true for all of the paper collection except Happy Heart. So Happy Heart is the exception. And this is just really charming. And you can see that there are 7 papers.
Just really, I mean, you're saying Cheer Up, Buttercup, because they're so cheery.
They are.
Just bright and beautiful.
Again, we've got the greetings, easy to cut out. We've made them so that they're simple to do, just keeping in mind with wanting to have this not to be a frustrating experience.
And lots of different, they're great for different occasions,
yes,
as greetings.
They are. So you can see, and there are 38 die cuts here. In fact, in all of the kits, there are 60 to 70 pieces. So that's going to make a nice collection for you.
These are so gorgeous. I love the large and smaller, those borders.
And here's our first card. And you can see the background is done with the paper, of course.
And there's that large focal right on the center of your
card.
Right
in the middle.
Which is just fine.
And the greeting down here, we've added some of the silver jewel dazzles just to give some highlights. And then on the inside, we've got to take calls for something pink with sprinkles on top. Very cute.
That is fun.
Really sweet.
I love that about this. You can use the greetings that are on there, or you can go ahead and that could be your own greeting. You could put personalize it and add somebody's name.
Put someone's
whatever
name.
You want to do.
Now I love this look because I think it's something that's easy to forget, which is of course the cutaway card. So that front was just cut off. The directions are in the gallery.
Right.
And how pretty to use that artwork.
Right. It's so beautiful. The papers do a lot of the work for you, like I was saying, but I also like that one of the cutouts is sort of going off of the edge. It sort of ties in with that cutout. At first you don't know it's a cutout, I think, because of that.
Yeah, and I think it's clever to use. This has got the red plaid background and then the pink and the gray background on the inside of the card. A little kindness goes a long way.
The little butterfly die cut sort of floating around, that's really fun.
Very sweet. So you can see we have been very busy with 3 Artful card cuts.
3 Artful cuts. And one of them has double-sided papers, so that's new and cool.
So something wonderful, Happy Heart, Cheer Up Buttercup. We're all about having a good day. And we hope you'll join us tomorrow for more brand new hot off the press.
Yay, see you then.